Well, hello YouTube, I am John Can, and today I've got a couple monkeys with me, and we are going to do microwave science. You guys like science?
Absolutely.
You like blowing stuff up? Way better than science, right? Yeah? Okay, so we've got a microwave. Yes, microwave there. And what we've done is built a little deal to where we can have it plugged in and push that start button and put random stuff in our microwave. Right now, there's just a bunch of leftovers in there. As you know, that's where you save your leftovers. And then we can pull this string from a safe distance over by my shop and see what happens, because that's how science works. We're ready to microwave our first thing here. We've got ranch packets. I was reading a ranch packet at one point in time and it said, do not microwave. And I was like, well, why not? So we're gonna find out why not. I think they're gonna explode. What do you think, Kelvin? Yeah, Sterling? You are expendable. You're the guy that we're gonna send up here when things go bad.
Absolutely.
We all kind of think they're gonna explode. I imagine it'll be kind of like popcorn, pop, pop, pop. It should be a huge mess in this microwave. Okay, Sterling, let's pull that string and see if it beeps at us. Hopefully we can hear the pops from here. Does it smell good, Sterling? Does it smell ranchy?
Raunchy.
Raunchy? Not ranchy though, huh? Yeah. All right, let's see. I'm gonna... Oh, dude, look at that. Oh my God. They popped out the bottoms. And they're flat too. Look at how flat they are. That's weird. Oh, there's ranch on the side of it, so they did pop. You can see like bubbling in there.
50 cents. If you had a fry, try it.
Nice. Good job, Kelvin. All right, Sterling, what do you got?
Some of these fancy little doohickeys.
Nice, what do they do?
They'll light up.
They light up. What do you think? Put them in there, they're gonna melt like the ranch?
Should we break them before we put them in there?
I don't think so. I think we should let the microwave do its job. What do you say? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, throw them in there. What do you think? 5 minutes, same as last time?
Yeah, I did the ranch well.
So I kind of feel like after we're done microwaving the glow sticks, we should bring the microwave in the shop, close the doors and turn the lights off and see if it glows. It's a good idea? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that. See, I have an idea sometimes. You gonna be brave and reach in there and open it, Kelvin? Oh, dude, I can see it glowing. Look it, you can see it glowing through the door. Yes. Whoa. That's weird. I don't think that's healthy.
I don't think it is either.
Put your face down in there and smell it.
Oh.
No. What if we just take the tray out of there?
That sounds good.
I'm gonna need gloves. I told you.
Yeah.
Yeah, just let it sit there. Look at that juice. You're gonna turn into some radioactive spider or something now that you touch that. Yeah.
Making me hungry.
Should we, let's just take this in the shop real quick and see if it glows. I'll bet all of that stuff is glow in the dark. Holy crap, that's hot.
In the name of science? Oh, it does. Cool.
That's weird. So yeah, that's interesting. Okay, open the door. Whoa.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is the Mountain Dew gonna explode? Nothing else has exploded so far.
I'm a little disappointed.
Or is it just gonna melt? You think it's gonna melt?
Yeah. I'm gonna go with explode.
You're going with explode? I'm hoping for explode. Comment and tell us what you think it's gonna do. Do that like right now. Yeah. Do you think the microwave is that well sealed that we'll get the steam after we open it or before?
After.
After?
China makes top quality products. That's always can be trusted.
That's true.
So, yes, the steam will come after them.
Nope. Whoa! Whoa! That was a pretty good noise right there. I think it blew up, Sterling. I think you might have lost this one. Now we got smoke. Oh! Oh! Is it steam or smoke?
It's...
I don't know either, but there's a lot of it coming out of there. Well, it's still smoking. Pretty good. Oh, I don't know if we should open this. Oh, look at the Mountain Dew coming out of the bottom. Look at it's leaking. Oh, it did. It blew up.
Oh, it's probably just steam. It's just steam.
Yep. Oh, look at the bottle though. The bottle was like super distorted.
It's probably with the little pops before, you know.
All right, let's see if this is hot. Oh. I don't know, but look at that. It's all distorted and weird looking. Gotta say that the lid was the weakest point. Only 5 calories, what? Well.
I was right.
Oh, this guy.
But it did explode.
It did, it exploded. Kelvin, what do you got?
Well, there's a really nice recipe for green bean casserole. Oh.
You gonna sit nice on that turntable?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll be perfect. How long do you think we should go with this one?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? 5 minutes is doing us pretty good, yeah? 5 minutes? Okay. This time I'm a little worried. This might be the end of the microwave for sure. Dude, I think it just tripped a breaker. I think so. Yep. So we started microwaving the green beans. There was a lot of smoke. Not so good, huh, guys? And then it tripped my breaker in my shop. So we reset it and started again. And things were getting hot like the extension cord. So I think this microwave is done. We're gonna try a different one and start over. Now we've got this other microwave, which was kindly donated by my friend Diana. Thanks, Miss Diana. We're gonna use this well. Right on there, like that. I'm gonna set it for 7 minutes. 7 minutes? Sounds like good science, yeah? 5 minutes was good, 7's better. So I just had a thought. Green beans are in a metal can, right? Metal reflects the microwaves. What if it won't ever heat the water inside? Because I mean, the microwave uses a Faraday cage to keep the microwaves in. It reflects the microwaves back and forth on itself. So what if it just reflects the microwaves and the green beans never get hot? Then what, Sterling? Then what? This is what makes it science. Yeah, we're learning something. So we didn't hear like anything at all from this, did we? No. I have a feeling that nothing happened, which is disappointing.
You wanna do it, Sterling?
Oh, you can do it. You're gonna get the glove on. It's not even that. It's not even that warm.
Really?
Yep.
Huh.
See? I bet that's what it is. The metal reflects the microwaves and nothing happens. Oh, that's super lame. Do we eat those now? No? Okay, so we've got 3 cans of great stuff. One that is unopened, Big Gap filler. That's the best kind, right?
Absolutely.
Ooh. Okay. Don't try this at home. Let me do these dumb things and you just watch. What do we think? 10 minutes? Why is it beeping already?
Smarter than us.
It is. It says that there's metal in there and doesn't like it.
That sucks.
Yeah. I blame Sterling. So what we've discovered in our science is that the microwaves are smart enough to know not to microwave the great stuff when they shut off. I'm pretty disappointed. So I think what we're gonna do is take them out and blow them up. This is where the microwave was. Nice little crater in the playa there. Fantastic. And the great stuff did a nice job of splattering out. Oh, yep. We did get the great stuff to go everywhere. It's gonna suck to pick it up.
We are gonna pick it up.
We are gonna pick it up. Was it everything you hoped for?
Yes, and more.
And more? Fantastic. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have ideas, suggestions, things that we should microwave, I have 2 more microwaves. Apparently they won't microwave metal stuff real well because they're smart microwaves, however that works out. But you know, leave a comment, tell us if there's something you'd like to see. Also, please take a second to subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you as always for watching, and we will see you later.